हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। लास्ट ईयर मुझे मेरे डैड का इंश्योरेंस करवाना था, तो मैंने बहुत सारी इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज़ का प्लान्स एनालाइज़ किया एंड मैंने कुछ एजेंट से भी बात किया। तो मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चली कि हाउ दिस इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ट्राइज टू फूल यू। बहुत बार ये जो एजेंट्स है दे ट्राई टू मिस रिप्रेजेंट सम ऑफ द फैक्ट्स। सो हाउ डू दे डू इट एंड हाउ कैन वी प्रिवेंट इट कि अगर मुझे कोई इंश्योरेंस लेना है, सो हाउ शुड आई इवैल्यूएट द प्लान विच ही इज़ ऑफरिंग or the company is offering. So in this video I'll share my learnings with you all. So topic of this video will be how insurance companies try to fool you and what's the solution. So ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो सकता है, इसलिए मैंने ये वीडियो को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया है. इन फर्स्ट वीडियो विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दीज कंपनीज ट्राई टू फूल यू, how do they misrepresent facts. So we'll see with a live example how do they do it, and in the next video we'll talk about the solution. So let us begin with the first thing, that is how these companies try to fool you. So first, see, when I want to buy an insurance, I'll need insurance only, but what these companies do, they just combine insurance with investments and they make very complicated product, and it is very difficult for a layman to evaluate or understand this product, and they end up paying more money, or it is not at all required. They do not even get 6 to 8% returns on their investments. So that is the first thing. They combine insurance with investment and try to fool you. The second thing is they give unnecessary add-ons. In the live example I'll show you, they give unnecessary add-ons like accidental insurance. This is one of the add-ons which is not required. Few days back when I got this proposal from one of the agents, I opened an account with one of the private banks, and in that bank I was getting 35 lakhs of insurance free because I opened an account with that particular bank. So if I consider of the cost of that accidental insurance, it would be very less. Otherwise these banks cannot afford to give it you at no cost. So they give, or they at least try to give, unnecessary add-ons to confuse you. And the third thing, false presentation of returns or false presentation of facts. So these mostly these agents, they do like that. It has happened with me. So how do they do it? I'll show it to you. So if I'm claiming something, see, if I'm saying that this happens, do I have any proof? So yes, I have one proof. So let us go to one of the brochures which I received from one of the agents. So this is one of the brochures which I received from one of the agents. This is not made up by me. So this is the brochure and this is the details. Age, at that time my dad's age was 48, sum assured was 40 lakh, term 52, so 100 years insurance. The DAB rider, this add-on, I don't think means why did he do it, but yeah, he did it. The premium in which in this particular brochure is 58,500, and it was the first year premium. From second year onwards it is 57,866. So let us consider 58,000 approximately is the premium. That premium we need to pay for 20 years. So this is the exact calculation of this policy. You may pause and just watch it. So for next 20 years approximately 58,000 we need to pay. Okay, from 21st year he'll start receiving 40,000 per annum. It is straight till 100 year. So and from that particular, from 21st year, premium will reduce to 29,000. So it is like for the first 20 years we need to pay approximately 58,000, and from 20 year onward that 40,000 minus this 29, so approximately 11,000 rupees we will receive. And this 29,000 we need to pay for approximately 12 years. So for 12 years we will receive approximately 11,000, and from that period onwards will receive 40,000, and the maturity isn't at the age of 100 he'll receive 35 lakh 75,000. Now I just asked him, so the huge part of this scheme is investments, so what are the returns associated in this plan? So he said returns in this plan is 8%. Means I said, are you sure? Means so he said, yeah, he is very sure about it, and even he showed me one of the calculations. So I'll show you what did he show me. So these are some of the facts that he was emphasizing very now and then, that you need to just pay 15 lakh and you will receive 48 lakhs. But okay, as I am a finance guy, I knew many things, so I just said okay. And at the end, what he told, and even in this document it is written that the benefit shown in this presentation are as per the 8% benefit illustrations. So 8% they are claiming. So now let us see whether it is 8% or not. Now this thing, you may pause and you may watch it for a while. What I have done, this ye jo table hai na, I have just copy pasted in Excel, so it is very easy for calculation. Here is the Excel file. What I have done, I have not done anything, I have just copy pasted that file in this Excel. So if you want to cross check, you may pause the video and you can cross check. It is the exact same figures I have written down. So these are the returns. So now I asked him, can you show me how it is 8%? So he said, yes, we can show you. So he just asked me, do you understand what is discounting? I said yes. 1 rupee, the value of 1 rupee today will not be same tomorrow, that is after 1 year. I said yes. Okay, so what they did discounting of all the cash flows. So in this particular scheme, for the 20 years cash flow was every year 58,000 and all, and he took this discounting factor at 8%. So now if somebody will ask me what is this discounting factor, so if I am expecting 8% returns as he was saying, I don't agree like that, but what he told me, that if you have 100 rupees today, so the worth of this 100 rupee tomorrow will not be same. So tomorrow it would be 92.59. Tomorrow means next year. 2 years after that, if worth of 100 rupees today is 100, so after 2 years it would be approximately 86 rupees. So he did all this discounting at 8% returns. So I said okay. And what he did, he showed me a calculation where all the net cash flows in that first like 20 years we were paying this, we need to pay from 21st year onwards, we are receiving that, like 40,000 we'll receive and we need to pay 29,000, so net we are receiving approximately 11,000 rupees. So I said okay. So in this he showed me this. So what he told me, that if we calculate present value of all your future outflows, present value of all your future outflows 7,09,913 rupees. Below you can see sum. Okay, and what he told, present value of all your cash inflow is 9,23,000. So he is saying it is more than 8% returns you are getting. So I said okay. So this is how he convinced me, or tried to convince me, that this particular scheme is having 8% returns. Then I just asked him, this plan is of investment, okay, so whether we should be doing discounting or compounding. So this इज हाउ दे मैनिपुलेट यू. वो क्या बोले कि डिस्काउंटिंग करो, बट अगर मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करता हूँ तो आई डो नॉट डिस्काउंट इट, आई कंपाउंड इट. तो मैं 8% से डिस्काउंट नहीं करता हूँ, मैं 8% से कंपाउंड करूँगा. तो देन आई शोड यू माई कैलकुलेशन दैट as it is an investment plan, we should be compounding it. So what we did, so I said let us assume I am the company. So whatever inflows I'll receive or whatever the outflows I'll give, I'll calculate it and will calculate it at 8% only. Okay, so now 58,000 as a company I'll receive for next 20 years. I'll receive 57,000. Okay, from 21st year onwards I'll have to pay 10,000 rupees. Whatever the calculation are, what I have done, I have just shifted to, or I have taken a viewpoint of a company instead of a policy holder. So on the last year I'll have to pay 35,75,000. Okay, so now what I said, okay, now we will do calculation with 8% only. What, in the first year I'll as a company I'll receive 58,501. Okay, so next year I'll receive 57,000. So on the first year whatever I have received I'll generate 8%. Okay, as they are claiming that they are giving 8% returns, so I said okay, so you will be generating 8% returns. So this is 58,000, उस पे जो 8% जनरेट हुआ प्लस 57,000 which you received this year. So this is the opening balance. Next year इस पे 8% you will generate and you are anyways receiving 57,000. So अगर ये करेंगे तो up to 20 years उनका ऑलरेडी अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 26,50,000 जमा हो गया रहेगा. नाउ लेट अस अज्यूम अगर दिस इंस्टीट्यूट अगर वो एफडी करती है और उसको 8% रिटर्न जनरेट हो जाता है, तो टिल 20 ईयर्स ओनली उसका 26,50,000 जमा हो गया है. एंड नाउ व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे आर गिविंग दिस 11,000 बट दे आर जनरेटिंग 2,12,000 रुपीज़. तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2,10,000 लेट्स से 2 लाख रुपया दे आर नेट सेविंग एवरी ईयर फ्रॉम योर इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हाट इज द लॉस I am taking? अगर if you are saying that you are giving returns at 8%, so at the age of 100 my worth of this investment should be at least 2 crore 83 lakhs, but what they are giving is 35 lakhs. So how do they try to fool people? They'll give calculation of discounting, but what should be done? It is compounding, because you take any investment, let's say you are investing in mutual fund, so do you discount it or you compound it? I to compound it. So this is how they try to misrepresent facts, or ऐसे ही they try to fool you. So next time whenever you say that I want to open an policy or something, you just do this calculation and just understand what is the exact returns they are giving, the compounding. So to check what is the returns, तो अगर मैं 6% करूँ, so 6% it is lesser than 6%, because if I am doing 6% still there is closing balance here. So let us do with 5% still. So the returns which they are giving is lesser than 5%. Let us do 4.5%. These returns are lesser than 4.5%. Let us do 4%. Still positive balance. So the returns which they are offering, let us say 3.5%. So in this particular plan, the returns offered were less than 3.5%. And in the policy document they clearly shown or clearly written whatever the calculation they have done, it is done based on 8% benefits. I don't know what kind of benefits they are talking, but clearly it is not 8% returns. So any plan which gives you 8 to 10% returns and compounding, you may go ahead with that. So बहुत लोग होंगे जो एज अ लेमैन इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड दीज टर्म्स. सो टू हेल्प यू हमने क्या सोचा है, वी हैव क्रिएटेड वन ईमेल आईडी. आई विल गिव इट इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. अगर आपको कोई प्लान है जो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एंड यू वांट हेल्प फ्रॉम अस टू अंडरस्टैंड क्या एग्जैक्ट रिटर्न्स है एंड वेदर यू शुड ऑप्ट फॉर इट और नॉट, we may give our opinion, and if you want you can just mail your plan to us. We'll try to revert you as soon as possible. So I hope आपको समझा होगा how these companies try to fool you. So अभी ये तो हम समझ गए how do they try to fool us. तो अब इसका solution क्या है? तो इसका solution हम next वीडियो में देखेंगे. तो next video is solution of these problems and solution is called synthetic insurance. So if you don't know what it is, so just wait for the next video. So I hope आपको समझा होगा. If you have doubts or queries regarding this, you may comment down below. And if you want to take help of us, you may send your queries to our this email ID. We'll try to help you as soon as possible. This video is sponsored by Upstocks. Upstocks is India's fastest growing brokers. When you open an account with Upstocks, you get free trading and demat account, brokerage credit of rupees 500 and free equity delivery trades for lifetime. So hurry, open an account with Upstocks. Link in the description box below. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.